In today's video, we're diving into how to use LearnWorlds and covering everything you need to know to get started with this online course platform. If you're looking for a powerful and flexible tool to create and sell your online courses, stick around to see if this could be the right choice for you. By the end, I'll also share some alternatives that might be even better suited for your goals. Let's get into it. First up, once you sign up and log into LearnWorlds, you're greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. The dashboard is well organized, but it can feel a bit overwhelming at first with all the options available. You've got your courses, users, reports, and much more all accessible from the side menu. The main focus here is building and launching your courses, but there's a lot of customization to go through, which I'll guide you through. Next thing, course creation. LearnWorlds makes it simple to create your courses with their drag and drop builder. You can add text, video, quizzes, and interactive elements. The platform has solid multimedia support, which is a big plus if you're creating video-heavy content. However, while the drag and drop functionality works, it can be a little bit clunky at times. It's not as seamless as some other platforms, which may be frustrating for those who are used to more polished systems. Now, let's talk about customization. You can tweak your course design with the built-in themes or customize your own. But here's the catch: you'll need some coding knowledge if you want to fully customize every part of your site. For beginners, this could be a bit of a barrier. LearnWorlds does offer support, but it's not as intuitive as you'd expect for a beginner-focused platform. The fourth thing, marketing and monetization. LearnWorlds gives you plenty of tools to sell your courses. You can set up payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, offer coupons, and create membership subscriptions. But the downside is that the marketing tools aren't as robust as some competitors. For instance, you won't find built-in email marketing tools, which means you'll need third-party integrations to handle that part. This could add to the complexity, especially for those new to online course creation. Next, let's talk about reporting. LearnWorlds has solid analytics that track your course sales, learner progress, and user engagement. But while the reporting is there, it can sometimes feel a bit basic, especially if you're running a large number of courses. You may need more detailed insights to understand your audience's behavior better, and you'll find that other platforms offer deeper data right out of the box. Lastly, I want to point out that while LearnWorlds offers a lot of great features, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're mainly looking for something simple and beginner-friendly, there might be better options out there. And as promised, I'm going to share some amazing alternatives that could better suit your needs. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to LearnWorlds. But wait! I've also included some alternatives in the description that are more focused on the goals of ease of use and powerful marketing tools. These platforms also offer free trials, and through my link, you'll get the best possible deal, available only to our viewers. So, if you're ready to explore LearnWorlds and some top-notch alternatives, be sure to check out the description for all the details. You won't want to miss these exclusive offers.